All right, 3-4. I'm back again in today's quick tutorial on how to play a game. We'll focus on a couple, or actually a game that's on Math Nook. This is actually a really cool math website. So there's Math Nook. What I want you to focus on is Quadrant Commander. And so what will happen is we are going to go to the game. I will have the link for you. You will click on it. You will see not much on instructions. Start. What you do is you can click here and it tells you the instructions. You can use your keyboard, use the mouse and the keyboard. You can play in one quadrant or four. Because this is for grade 3 and 4, we are going to stick to one quadrant. If you want to, you can do the 4, but that is a little more challenging and not really what we expect from you. So you turn off the music. At some points, it does get a little bit annoying. I'm going to turn it back on because I know some of you will enjoy it. And let's get going. So to get started on Quadrant Commander, you need to click on the play button. You'll notice that you have four options. One's a timed option, and one is direct hits. I'm going to go to timed options, a little more challenging. I know some of you will like that. I go to the one grid. Once I've got those selected, I will click forward. Off I go to the game. I'm not going to give you the whole rundown of the game and play every single thing, but remember my rules from the other day. Always remember, go in the door and up the stairs. Problem is, this one is actually right here and it's timed, so I got to get here really fast. 0, 1, and fire. And some people will say, oh no, what happened? What did you do? Well, remember, you go in the door and up the stairs, so that's 1, 0. So let's fire quickly before we get blown up. We've got another one over here at 3, 0. Click 3, 0 and fire. Remember, 4, 2. Take your time, don't panic. And as you can see, I've blown them up and I've gone on to the next level. The game basically increases in difficulty as you go. You'll see as you play the game. Once again, you can turn the music off or you can put it back on. Go into dance mode. That's for you. All right. I'm not going to finish the game. Oh, by the way, you can go to full screen or you can go back to the normal screen. And that's it for my little tutorial on how to play Quadrant Commander on Math Nook. Remember, you can always go to some of the other really cool games. This one, Coordinate B, is a little easier. It's for basically, it's really easy actually. Some of you might want to give it a shot. There's bombs on the grid, etc. I tried it. Really hard to drive the car around, but that's just me. Some of you might enjoy it. So thanks for listening in and watching my little tutorial on how to play Quadrant Commander. Checking out Mr. Gunning once I can find out how to stop this.